Mi 8 launched May 2019. After 3 years, this phone is still worth it 2021. Find out in this video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, let's start the video. Okay, at first talk about the build quality. The phone built with Gorilla Glass 5 front and back and aluminum frame. So overall phone build quality is good. Mi 8 comes with 6.21-inch Super AMOLED display with resolution 1080 x 2248 pixel with 402 ppi density, and this is 83.8 skin to body ratio. So overall Mi 8 display is excellent, is still worth it 2021 for this Super AMOLED display. 2021 the phone running MIUI 12 and Android 10, and the phone using chipset Snapdragon 845 and CPU using octa-core 4 x 2.8 GHz and GPU using Adreno 630, and this is 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM variant with UFS 2.1. After 2 years, the phone performance is still pretty well. All the app opening and closing speed very fast, and you also play all types of game in a very high graphics and max frame rate. You can play Pubg Mobile smooth to extreme, and you can play Call of Duty Mobile high graphics and max frame rate. After 3 years, my gaming experience is still pretty well. I don't face any types of problem to play Call of Duty Mobile. So overall you can play all types of game in a max setting. Mi 8 comes with dual camera setup, 12 megapixel main lens with 1.8 aperture and 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.4 aperture with dual LED flash. Mi 8 also comes with 20 megapixel selfie camera with 2.0 aperture. Mi 8 main camera you can record highest 4K 60fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 60 and 120fps and 240fps slow-mo video, and you also record 720p 960fps super slow-mo video. Xiaomi Mi 8 you can take a very good picture in a daylight and low light and also night. So overall you can take average quality photo. By the way, Mi 8 you also use GCAM 8.1 for take a better photo. I am already making a video about that. Video link in the video description and on the I button. So now talk about the security. You can unlock your phone by fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Both is speed very fast. Mi 8 powered by 3400 mAh battery with 18W fast charger, and this phone also support quick charger 4 plus. So you can get 4 to 5 hour screen on time. So overall Mi 8 is still worth it 2021 for that Super AMOLED display and flagship processor. Okay, this is all about Mi 8 2021 full review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time in another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.